that raid timer, that means you fucking spawned late. You always want to see that raid time. Where the fuck did we spawn? Right by the fucking train. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, party grenades going off. Looks nice. Okay, we're watching for guys crossing behind us or over to our side right there. Like that. Somebody's already cracking shots off at us. And we're gonna get up behind this wall. And I do not have a magnified optic, so chance of hitting that shot is slim to none. But we are gonna go check the fucking Bitcoin, the famous Bitcoin jacket spawn. Oh my god, analyzer, I don't really fucking need another one of those. Scab up, I almost forgot about him, bro. I do not want to get hit by sniper scab. Fuck, I don't know about taking the bronze pocket watch to dorms though either. If you don't get out with it, like, fucking lose it. Where the fuck is dorms 206? Oh, it's upstairs, so it doesn't really fucking matter, huh? Let's break my leg. Yeah, I have 2 fucking broken legs. That sounded like dorms. Damn, I have a broken arm too. Okay, we're not healing that right here. We're fucking... I don't know if that was a PMC I killed or what that was. I don't want to check, and I kind of don't. No, that was a fucking PMC. Poor dude. Level 11. What else is he? What is he shooting me with a shotgun? What the fuck is he doing? Yeah, he had everything else in the secure container. Fuck, I forgot to eat and drink because our spawn is fucked. Let me double click it. That door's locked up there. Same side as the stairs. I think this is it. Door open. Why is that unlocked? Inside the stairs, past it. Are extract up or no? It's up. We're just gonna get out. Dude, if we get out and we use the fucking car extract and fucking got 2 quests done. Fucking money in the bank. Come on, longest fucking 20 seconds of my life. Fucking Christ, come on. Come on, man. Come on, get me out of here. That'll be scav rep too. Do not get shot in the side of the head waiting for the car extract. Come on, baby. Come on. We're out. Fuck yeah. Whew. 2 quests done. And used the car extract for scav rep. Killed 1 PMC. Fuck. That's a successful raid right there. For the casual player, that's a successful fucking raid. Fucking love this game. Fucking love this game. I'm getting more comfortable playing solo again. It was nice to get back into it playing with some other dudes, but I used to play this game by myself and like teach other people how to play it by themselves. And take other people in and show them, and help them do their quests and shit. I mean, I stopped playing it for a couple of years for a few reasons, but fucking love it. I love this game again. All the updates they did are amazing. Had 3 fractures. We definitely fucking did some shit. We killed somebody. Got a few little points. Not a huge raid, but we got 2 fucking quests done, including the bronze pocket watch. Which, getting up on that little box to unlock the truck door, that is a fucking anxiety fucking city, dude. You're just waiting to get shot in the back. Our right leg was still fucked up. Probably from running on it freshly broken. Fall damage. Jumping over that fence was not a fucking... It was a good play, but not a good play.